How do you get your hands on the latest and greatest from ServiceM8? Are you itching to unlock the powerful new features, the slicker interface, and all the performance enhancements that come with ServiceM8 13? Well, you're in the right place. We're not just going to tell you how to update, we're going to walk you through why it's a game changer for your business, what you need to do to prepare, and then, step by step, how to seamlessly transition to ServiceM8 13. For those of you already familiar with ServiceM8, you know it's a beast of a tool for field service management. It streamlines everything from job scheduling and dispatch to invoicing and payments, all from the palm of your hand. But like any good technology, it's constantly evolving. ServiceM8 13 isn't just another incremental update. It represents a significant leap forward in user experience and functionality. Imagine even more intuitive navigation, faster load times, and new capabilities that were previously only wishful thinking. Think about how much time you currently spend on administrative tasks. ServiceM8 13 aims to slash that even further, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, serving your customers. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the update process, let's talk about why ServiceM8 13 is so important. What exactly are you gaining? Without giving away all the surprises, expect improvements in areas like enhanced reporting, allowing you to gain deeper insights into your business performance. Picture more robust communication tools, making it even easier to keep your team and your clients in the loop. And of course, there are always those subtle yet impactful performance optimizations that just make everything feel snappier and more responsive. These aren't just cosmetic changes. They're designed to boost your efficiency, reduce errors, and ultimately, improve your bottom line. We're talking about a tool that actively works harder for you, allowing you to get more done in less time with less stress. So you're convinced. You're ready to embrace the future with ServiceM8 13. But before you hit that update button, there are a few crucial preparatory steps you need to take. Think of it like preparing for a big job. You wouldn't just show up without your tools, would you? The first and arguably most important step is to back up your data. While ServiceM8 is incredibly reliable and updates are generally smooth, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Take a moment to ensure all your critical information, your client details, job histories, invoices, everything is securely backed up. This provides you with an invaluable safety net, just in case. Next, consider your device compatibility. ServiceM8 13 might have slightly higher system requirements than previous versions. Check the official ServiceM8 website or their support documentation for the recommended operating system versions for your mobile devices, iOS or Android, and any desktop applications you use. Running an older OS might lead to performance issues or even prevent the update entirely. A quick check now can save you a lot of headaches later. While you're at it, ensure you have sufficient storage space on your device. Updates often require a bit of extra room for temporary files during the installation process. Another vital preparation step is to inform your team. If multiple people in your organization use ServiceM8, it's essential to communicate the upcoming update. Let them know what to expect when it's happening and if there will be any brief downtime. This minimizes confusion and ensures everyone is on the same page. Perhaps even schedule a quick team meeting or send out an email detailing the new features they can look forward to. Excitement for the update can also help with adoption. Finally, ensure you have a stable internet connection. This might seem obvious, but a dropped connection during an update can lead to corrupted files or a failed installation. A strong Wi-Fi connection is usually preferred over mobile data for large updates. Take a moment to check your network stability before initiating the process. Okay, with all your ducks in a row, it's time for the main event. Updating to ServiceM8 13. The process itself is remarkably straightforward, but we'll break it down into simple, actionable steps. Step 1. Check for the update. For most users, ServiceM8 will notify you directly when an update is available. You might see a pop-up within the app itself, or a notification on your device. If you don't see an immediate notification, head over to your device's App Store, the Apple App Store for iOS users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Search for ServiceM8 and see if an update button is available next to the app. Step 2. Initiate the update. Once you see the update button, tap it. Your device will then begin downloading the new version of the ServiceM8 app. This download time will vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. Be patient. It's worth the wait. Step 3. Allow installation. After the download is complete, your device will automatically begin installing the update. During this process, you might see a progress bar or an installing message. It's crucial not to close the app or turn off your device during this stage. Let it complete its work uninterrupted. Step 4. Launch ServiceM8 13. Once the installation is finished, you'll likely see the Open button appear in your App Store, or the ServiceM8 icon will be ready to launch from your home screen. Tap it, and prepare to be greeted by ServiceM8 13. You might notice a slightly refreshed interface immediately. Step 5. Explore the new features. Don't just jump straight back into your routine. Take a few moments to explore the new version. ServiceM8 often includes a brief, what's new tour or highlights new features upon the first launch after a major update. Pay attention to these prompts. Familiarize yourself with any changes to the navigation, new buttons, or relocated functions. The more comfortable you are with the new layout, the faster you'll adapt and leverage the new capabilities. Troubleshooting tips, just in case. Update not showing. If the update isn't appearing in your App Store, try refreshing the page or checking your App Store settings to ensure automatic updates aren't preventing you from seeing it. Sometimes a simple device restart can also help. Insufficient storage. If you receive an insufficient storage error, go back and clear some space on your device. Delete old photos, videos, or unused apps until you have enough room. Download stuck. If the download seems to be stuck, try pausing and resuming it, or cancel and restart the download process. Ensure your internet connection is stable. App crashing after update. In rare cases, an app might crash after an update. Try restarting your device. If the issue persists, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the ServiceM8 app. Remember, this is why that backup was so important. Embracing ServiceM8 13 isn't just about getting a new version of software. It's about investing in the continued efficiency and growth of your business. It's about empowering your team with better tools, streamlining your operations, and ultimately, providing an even better experience for your customers. Stay proactive, stay updated, and stay ahead of the curve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.